Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 18th of July. Sunshine this morning, back to the truck. Try and get some more paint on it. Got my screws, they came in a bag this time. They've made a few holes in it.
Weirdo.
Mailman would have liked that. It's not warm out here.
Oh. It's warmer than usual, Ben.
It looks warm in the sun.
And the sun's gone behind that tree.
Yep. Oh, I can't wait till we're opening this somewhere at the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what we get to try today.
What? Are you talking about this, Ben?
Yeah, see who's wrong or right.
Me, I'm right. I'm
You're
always right.
We've got some paint out here.
Yeah, it's over here.
Good place to start.
Ben, that is way easier than a paintbrush.
Yeah, it's got no bristles hanging out or anything.
Yeah, wow. Carpet.
I'm just going to tidy this door up a bit. There was an old leak we found after taking the carpet off. I think some of this body filler should do it. Looking pretty good there too. Mix up some more and do that line in the floor.
Hey, I wondered why it was pink. Right on the angle. Oh, you can make a nice curve to mush it in there, Ben.
Gotta mush it in there. Starting to tack off already. Do it. That coat should have hopefully dried nicely.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Wonder how my bogging went. Still a bit tacky. Right, where are we at?
At the end.
Now I have got to leave at 2:30 for Kira's netball today. It's at 3 for practice. 3 till 4:30.
Oh, at least it's not so late.
Yeah.
It gets cold at 5. It's freezing.
But it cuts into the middle of my workflow day.
I'll put another layer on the door.
Nah.
Done.
Excellent. Good job done.
Yeah.
Now we've got to watch paint dry.
Oh, are we going to empty out the fridge inside? Bring it in?
Can do. Right, some PowerPoints. 1, 2. Guess what my job is for a few minutes? Getting these ready. I'm just making all the ends of these safe in case we hook the solar up in the next day or so. I was just thinking out loud, I wouldn't have minded an upright plug that way to go next to this other one, but it's not going to matter.
USB one?
No, the USB one will go in next.
Oh, yeah.
It's just going to look a bit silly with this one's a sideways one.
Looks funny.
It looks funny, alright. We don't have any single uprights. any single plugs left. So what I might do is get a double upright to replace that one.
That one?
No.
That one?
The other one you didn't point at.
That one?
Yep.
Oh, so it matches that one?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then that one there can go down here. Can go down here into under the bed.
Oh, yeah. I was going to say, you could just go like that.
That looks ugly as hell.
Yeah. It's got to be matched.
We've got to buy another plug anyway, so might as well one that matches.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Cool. So I can't really do any more. I can wire that other plug in, but I might as well just wait.
Oh, yeah.
Until I've got the other plug, do everything at the same time.
What's this one?
So I need a coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Before I take Kieran to netball.
Take Kieran. Yeah.
Right, coffee.
Bye.
Right. Yep, cool. Let's go and do that.
What?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yep. And I'm off to town again. Kira's netball practice tonight again. It's a bit earlier tonight, which is probably a good thing. Home not so late. So, give that paint a good chance to dry anyway. Brilliant, brilliant weather.
It's something I can't miss. Got it on my list. Something I can't resist. I got a taste on my lips. Can't fight it. This feeling, this love, I need it. There's a reason I can't let go. It's not my first time at the rodeo. Giddy up, rock steady. Where the fun, where's the confetti? Hurry up already. I'm ready. Can't keep better than this. Okay, alright.
Have fun at netball practice. What time does it finish?
4:30.
4:30. Okay, I'll get some petrol and go to mine at 10. We'll see you back here at 4:30ish.
See you.
Can't keep better than this. Okay, alright. Look down. Can't get better than this. That's right. All day, all night. Look now. Can't get better than this.
And back at mine at 100. Got the fuel, now I just need to get the PowerPoint. And that'll be my shopping in Stratford. Awesome.
Comfy in my dominion. Run it up till it's multi-millions. I can't wait, the suspense is killing. But that's cool, that's fine. I'll be anywhere, any place, anytime. Take a little break from the crazy grind.
Shopping done, back at the netball courts now. Just got to wait for Kira. What's the time? Another half an hour or so, should be done.
Then you're ready for the day like rise and shine. Giddy up, rock steady. Where the fun, where's the confetti? Let it go. Hurry up already. I'm ready. Can't get better than this. Okay, alright. Wow. Look down. Can't get better than this. That's right.
So I'm back. Someone was waiting for me because they want to put the fridge in the truck tonight.
Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow and I don't fancy doing it in the rain.
What time's it supposed to rain?
During the night, probably.
Oh,
I don't know.
well, should I plug those solar leads on top of the truck in tonight then? So they don't get moisture in them.
Yeah, might pay do.
Yeah. Might do that, just so there's, because we know they're dry now, so might pay to do that now, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that as well. There's solar cables up.
Isn't it on the outside?
It's in the middle.
Oh.
I was going to see how close I can get.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to.
We'll have a look. The back one I'm not worried about, so I'll just go straight at the back of the truck.
Wasn't it on the other side that we had the cable?
I'll have a look and see. See where it is. Is it ladder?
Yeah. Is it on the other side?
I think I'll go from the other side.
Do you not remember like putting it on the other side?
Might be easier to reach from the other side.
Good.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, we can go to the back. Stand over here somewhere.
Yep.
Plugged in.
Plug. We didn't allow for the plug.
Perfect. We built everything exactly right. So what I need to do is buy a side mount exit plug to put on the end of there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that'll fit. Oh yeah, we can bring it back.
Can't with the plug in.
No? Right, new idea.
Yep, we're going to put a multi-plug behind the fridge, which is not really ideal, but it'll work with the side mount. And then we can put a microwave above it.
Yeah, we were going to do a storage cupboard, but since we've got an extra plug with the multi, we can
Put a microwave.
a little microwave up there.
Yeah. It's in here for now.
We could also put chocks in the back too to stop it
Sliding back.
sliding
Yeah.
hard into the plug.
Awesome, we're getting there.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Figure it out tomorrow's plan after the solar's hooked up.
Yep.
Right, out of here.
Yep.
I need a coffee after that trip to town. You doing another coat on this?
No. Should be good.
I'll put this back on before it gets lost.
I might. Yeah, that all's going to be covered with things, I think. So it doesn't really matter.